Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. We're back. Been working on this project here. As you can see, I've got some finishes done here, but now if you look here, we're going to go and have a look at this image. And in this image, you got this stone finish here along this exterior wall, sort of a decorative thing here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this material for us here. So I'm going to go back into Revit, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to first create the material. So I'm going to go into my Manage tab and select Materials. And here I've got this material here, but I'm going to take this guy here. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to duplicate it. And then I'm going to rename this. If I can rename it, I think I can. Oh, shit. I'm going to just select this guy and rename it. You got to do it this way. So I'm going to call this exterior. Nope, spell it right. Exterior stone finish. And then I'm going to apply that. But first I'm going to change this. Now I'm going to just select it here. Actually, I'm going to select this little, by this highlight, and go back into the material library here. And I'm going to find something similar to that. So if I move up here, let's see, there we go, there's our stones. I don't want that. I think they got something. There we go. I'm going to take this guy, this rough granite, and I'm going to open that. And I'm going to shut that down now because it's going away. I'm going to select it now here. And then I want to scroll down here and change the scale because it's only at 2 feet. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make this 60 inches, make it about 5 feet. Here. So we got 5 feet, so that looks like it might work. Now I'm going to go into my graphics and explain what's going on here. So within the graphics here, you can put a pattern for our other views, but we're going to select rendered here so we can show this in a rendered appearance. So if I go back to appearance on the rendered, that's what it's going to look like. So I think that's close, fairly close enough. We want to apply that. And I'm going to say OK. Now I'm going to go into my west elevation to make this a little bit easier just to see. It's the west here. So what's going to happen now is we're going to use the split face command. So I'm going to select the wall, and then I'm going to go into the split face command. So split face, and then I'm going to select the wall, and I'm going to create this shape inside of this panel here. So I'm going to go from here to here. Then I'm going to finish that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to go into my Modify tab and go into Paint. Here's Paint. And then I'm going to key in Exterior. There it is, right there. Where is it? Exterior stone. There it is. But that doesn't look like what we want. But I'm going to select it anyway. And then I'm going to go into my rendered, see what it looks like rendered. Realistic. It's going to come in, I hope. Revit's thinking. Okay, any day now. Okay, so that's probably what we want. It's a little bit on the dark side, but I think that's close enough. So what I can also do, I can modify this. I can go back into my, let's see if I can change this. You can select it here. I'm gonna go to hit this tab here, and I'm gonna select this finish. I'm gonna go back to my materials. And let's find that exterior finish. So there it is. So I'm gonna select it here. We got a few more options we can go and look at. We can go, I think we can change the width. We can change it to glossy or brightness. Let's darken it up a little bit here. Let's go, let's say there. And then we go into graphics. And let's make this a little bit darker. On the appearance, I'm sorry. I'm gonna make this, let's make it matte. And let's go and let's see. Let's scroll down here. This is a little light, so let's make it a little bit darker, I think. Let's go with the tint now. And let's make this color a little bit darker. It's updating really slow, sorry. But this is basically how you do this. Okay, I think we're done. It's still updating. Go look at graphics here. Color, and this right here. Render settings here. Draft quality. Okay. So these are all the different settings we can use, and that's the tint color here on the bottom. You can go to tint, double click that, and make some settings there, but I'm not going to deal with all that. I'm just going to go apply. Okay. Yeah, it didn't come out as dark as I wanted, but it's close enough. So then here, I want to just go back into my, let's just select this guy now. And I want to do another split face. Select it. Let's split this face from here to here. Okay, not quite in there, I'm sorry. Let me go redo that again. Cancel that. Yes, I want to. Or maybe just draw this in. Probably be a little better. So I'm gonna draw, let me go back into my select the wall. You wanna, it's probably better to do this in a shaded view for right now. So let's go and split the wall. So I select it. Go a point from here to there. Come across to this line here. Come down to about there. Come across. Let's finish that. Then go paint it. Where is it again? Should have defaulted back to that. Probably would have. Or we can do a copy if we want. Here we go, exterior stone. Paint it. Do another one here. Split. This is where we gotta cancel this. Select the wall again. So we gotta select the wall, and then we go split the space here. And select it, and then we'll go a point. We'll just do a shape here, from there up to there, and then we'll finish that, and then we'll go paint it. Should have brought it right to where we want it. Yep. And then we're done. So now let's go into our 3D view. And let's do a quick little realistic look. And there you go. You can adjust the shading on here, but let's do a quick render and see what we got. So I'm going to do a draft rendering just to see it. So I'm going to go into my View tab, select render, let's draft it, and let's say render here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this. Close enough. Let's see what we got here. I mean, this is what the thing should look like here. But like I said, it's a little bit lighter than what we want, but for now we can adjust that later, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But there you go. It's coming in pretty good. So I do a better render will come out. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. That's basically what we want to see. So this is how you would do this. You would go in and basically change the materials, and that's close, not perfect, but it's close enough. So hey guys, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me make videos like this. And again, to do the pattern, you have to go into AutoCAD and basically create a pattern for that. But hey, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. And again, I'll do a sharper rendering and you can see it a little better, but that's how you would do a stone finish in Revit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe, and again, please subscribe, super thanks, or anything you can to help this channel out. Thank you and have a good day.